Okay guys, today we're riding in the car part 2, but now it's not gonna be just random stuff. I'm gonna be doing some weird stuff, showing you a little detail of my seat in the back. Brayden's not here this time. Little detail of my seat in the back. What's in here? Well, scissors, that. Scissors. We'll put all the things that we'll put everything that we've used in this seat. A wallet with a few things in there. Some houses.
I think it used to be yellow, actually. That's a new paint job. You're right, it did used to be yellow. I remember it when it was yellow. I like this color.
So we got this, and we got this.
Yeah.
Put them in the pile. This cube was speeding. We call it a cube over at my house. We got some lotion. I don't know why. My sister. That from yesterday's video. My brother's wallet. Put that in the pile. Minecraft mask. Thing. I love baseball. 2022 baseball. I made it. So yeah, a couple more hair ponytail holders. Yeah, just like that. So just put all this stuff up.
That's really pretty right
there. My brother's wallet, he's in the car right there, so I can't really be loud about his wallet. Yeah, so now we're gonna go to the other side. You may have seen the Yahoo drink in the past video. Sheriff. Okay, and so that's stuff that will be in my car, guys. See you later. Peace.